How to fix the directory name is invalid error in Task Scheduler. The directory name is invalid error in Windows Task Scheduler usually occurs if the task is trying to reference a folder path that doesn't exist. Here are some ways to troubleshoot and fix this. Double check that the folder path configured in the task action is correct and exists on the computer. Make sure you are using the full path starting with the drive letter. If using a UNC path, to a network share folder, verify the path is formatted properly as //server/share and accessible from the computer running the task. Check for any typos or extra spaces in the folder path entered in the task action properties. The folder may have been deleted or renamed after creating the task. Update the path in the task to point to the new location. If using system environment variables like %temp%, make sure they are resolving correctly on the computer running the scheduled task. The account configured. To run the task may not have permissions to access the folder. Modify the settings to use a different account. For paths with long folder names, make sure you haven't exceeded the 256-character Windows path limit. Use a shorter path if needed. Restart the task scheduler service and try again. The service may have outdated. Cached folder credentials. If the folder path is definitely correct, create a simple test task to write to that directory to confirm you can access it. This should help narrow down where the exact issue lies.